Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to discuss about nowadays, we live in the world of meeting. For me, myself, sometimes in a day, I have 3 meetings. Wow, sometimes, no. The, the most in one day, I had 5 meetings in one day. Okay, ooh, that's so exhausting. Yes, I felt so exhausted when I facing the day 5 meetings, each of them about 1 to 2 hours. Whew, I had that one, and on the daily basis, regularly, I have one daily meeting from Monday to Friday, and then if I put my data and I put the average, my daily meeting is about 2 meetings per day. To be honest with you guys, sometimes not all the meetings so productive, not all the meeting gives added value to me, for me, or added value to my company, added value for my clients. Sometimes the meeting just only chit chat. Sometimes the meeting don't know what to discuss, and so on and so on. But that's the reality today. I believe you who watch this video also feel the same feeling that I told you before. What we are live in the world of meeting. Okay, so what's in it for you? First, I want to tell you that, to be honest, I'm sure about this one. More meeting doesn't mean more revenue, doesn't mean more productivity. Yes, more meetings, it not mean more revenue, more productivity. Yes, there are many meetings that are so crucial, very fundamental, very let's say A1 meeting or 5-star class meeting. That's supposed to be adding more revenue to your company, to your client company, to your users, or adding productivity and so on. But most of them, the more meeting you have, the more meeting you occur, it doesn't mean that more revenue and more productivity. I have one tips for you. This tip I got from the book called Getting Things Done from David Allen, I believe. You should search David Allen Getting Things Done. He said on that book, he says that what is the next action for each. Okay, so try to boost the productivity of the meeting by asking in the end of the meeting what is the next action for each person on that meeting. Let's say you have 10 people on the meeting. You ask, let's say you are the leader of the meeting, or yeah, you somehow you have a power to ask every single person on that meeting what is your next action. The person should and must be answer that question. If the person just got blank and don't know what to don't know what to say, the meeting is very problematic. Okay, this is one tip, and this is very good tips, I think. What is the next action for each person, not for all, because sometimes if we talk about okay, our next action is blah 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 blah, sometimes we don't know who do the A, who do the B, who do the C. So we have to clear here who is do the A, who will be do B, and then who will be do C, and so on. So what is the next action for each person? So that's it, guys. This very simple video. I hope you could get insight from this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.